The BJP in the Hill state has hit out at the Congress, terming it a divided house. And speaking to Northeast Live, Meghalaya BJP President Ernest Mari has said that the divide between newly appointed Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent Pala and leader of opposition Mukul Sangma is out in the open. Mari cited instances where Mukul Sangma skipped a couple of party events recently to drive home the point that there was indeed a divide within the Congress ahead of the 2023 polls.
Yeah, that is the truth because it has come in the section of the press and the media printing also that there is differences in the Congress between Ba Vincent Pala, the president of the present president of the MPCC, and the leader of the opposition party, Mr. Mukul. So we cannot hide that. It is open. It is open to everybody that they have a difference. So it has come in the section of the press also, where Dr. Mukul he has skipped the program.
So is the Meghalaya Congress indeed a divided house? Is former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Mukul Sangma unhappy over the state of affairs in the party since the time Vincent Pala took over as MPCC president? Well, while reports of Mukul Sangma's displeasure have been doing the rounds for some time now, there has been no direct statement made by Sangma expressing his concerns. However, a few days ago, Dr. Sangma skipped a program where 5 senior leaders rejoined Congress. They included former Home Minister R.J. Lindo and MLA PNCM. The former Chief Minister also avoided a function to mark the formal appointment of Lok Sabha MP Vincent Pala as the MPCC president. And according to reports, the AICC did not keep Mukul Sangma in the loop while choosing Pala as the state unit chief. Meanwhile, sources close to Vincent Pala, however, say that the new MPCC chief is more than willing to work with Mukul Sangma and that it is important for the party to stay united ahead of 2023 polls. So where does the problem lies? Is there a communication gap somewhere, or is there some power game brewing within the party? Well, while Congress leaders continue to be tight-lipped about things, the BJP feels the Congress loss will prove to be its gain.
Yeah, it is true because it is a divided house. As we have seen in the statement of the new president of the Congress, they have claimed that they are going to form the government in the 2023 with the majority thumbs up. But this dream will not happen because Congress now it is a divided house. Since we are in the center, in the government, and I think it is high time I appeal to the people in general in our state to give us a chance this coming election so that we can form the government which will give a good governance and will focus on the development. Why? Because we are the biggest political party in the world, not only in India. We are having 18 crore members till today on record. So even in Meghalaya also, we have strengthened our party. We are having more than 2,000 members. So we have a hope as biggest party, national party, will form the government in 2023. We are welcome. The door is open. They can come and join us. And in the last election also, some of the MLA, sitting MLA from different party, they join us. But I'm telling you, at any time it be materialized and people they will join us. MLA will join to our party.
Meanwhile, a former congressman and NCP leader claimed that internal bickerings are nothing new to Congress and existed even in the past.
After looking at today's news, that speculations of Dr. Mukul and Hack going to Calcutta, with that, I think a little bit of divide is there. Maybe some misunderstanding between their leaders. I don't know. Maybe some differences between Mukul and then few other leaders, because Congress has done a lots of created a lots of problem before also. Like for example, I was one of the Congress minister, so that way, there was a lots of divide. Like separate, divided was there actually from before. So right now, I don't know who is behind all those situation. But as you can say right now, since Dr. Mukul is not there anymore, it seems maybe he just wanted to be a leader. But now, since his team is not, you know, a party, I mean, the party president, that's why maybe he is trying to, create his own party.